So are you looking for an affordable, good quality shower gel which is perfect for this summers? Your search ends here. Keep on watching. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup and skincare related contents. So today I'm here in front of you guys with a brand new video where I'm going to share my honest feedback and review about this product over here. Yes, you guessed it right. When I showed you this particular shower gel in my previous haul video, I have promised you guys this all those products I'm going to use on myself and test them out properly, and then I'm going to share my honest feedback with you guys so that it will help you guys in the long run. So whenever you are looking for a similar product, you can make your mind and decide if you want to purchase this one or you want to go for something else. So that's the motto behind this video. So yeah, and after you're done watching this video guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button which is down below and make it grey, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on that and select all so that you'll get all the notification every time I upload a video for you guys. And what I'll do is I'll put few links of my other related videos, which are my review videos as well as my haul videos, over here in the I icon. If you click on the I icon, you will get the list, and also in the down in the description box. So after you're done watching this video, you can watch them next. And also do not forget to follow me in my other social medias, because I put fun stuffs over there and you will enjoy watching me over there as well. You will find those links as well down below in the description box. So that's enough of me blabbering. Now let's quickly jump into the review. So first, see the packaging over here guys. This is the product is actually Vival body wash in the variant mint plus cucumber. It is their family pack which is 500 ml and it has 100 ml extra. So let me first talk about few things. First, let's come to point number one, that is packaging. You can see this product came in like this only. There was no outside cardboard packaging or anything like that. It comes in a plastic bottle which has a pump. I'll tell you the product itself. Let me tell a little bit about the consistency of the product. The product is a blue color shower gel. I'll show you. See? So this shower gel is actually a gel consistency shower gel, as I just showed you. So this blue color shower gel is actually, it is not too runny, not too thick. So it is absolutely great for a product which comes with a pump. It actually, the pump dispenses the product pretty well on your loofah. And if you ask me, after using it for a few weeks, I can tell you, you just require one and a half to two pumps of it to cover your whole body, right? So that's how I like it. And if you put it around one pump in a on a loofah, actually it actually foams up pretty well. So 2 points are covered. First one is packaging, as I told you and I showed you as well as the consistency of the product. Now let's come to how it actually performs. So this particular product actually is, I'll tell you, because it has a cucumber and mint extracts. So it is not actually over too cooling, but it actually makes you feel a little bit more refreshed than a usual shower gel. And the fragrance, I'll tell you, if you are very sensitive to fragrance, I don't think it is going to affect your nose or you're going to get irritated by the fragrance, because it has a very mild fragrance. It is not too overpowering, so which is a good thing from my end. So let's talk about its pricing. So as I told you, it has the product 500 ml product and 100 ml extra, and it retails for 200 rupees. But as you can see from the brand itself, they have cut down the price and made it 160 rupees. So which is a very affordable and good price for the amount of product you are getting. As you can see over here, you can compare it with my face and you can see how humongous the actually bottle is, and you will understand how much product you are getting. And it is absolutely almost full. what I can see. And as I told you, the pump mechanism works pretty well as well, so which is a good thing. So let me read, as there are no particular claims from this product. They have just given back of the bottle, they have just given some instruction how you can use it. So let me see how to enjoy your new bathing experience. They have written step 1, pour a coin size drop of your body wash on a wet loofah. Right, it's not coin size. As I told you, for me, I require 1.5 pump to 2 pump to cover my whole body. And second step is massage loofah with both hands to create a rich creamy leather. It is absolutely right, it creates a creamy leather, and it actually lathers up pretty well on your body. And gently scrub all over your body and rinse off. And another thing with the shower gel I have noticed is few shower gel, whenever you are washing it off, it sometimes leaves a stickiness, or what should I say, a greasiness behind, and this particular shower gel doesn't do that. So yeah, it actually washes up pretty easily whenever you rinse it with water, plain water. Like yeah, you can use cold water or lukewarm water. It's totally up to you, and also it depends upon the season. But yeah, it actually rinses up pretty well, so you don't have to use a lot of water to rinse it from one part of your body. It actually it's pretty easy to rinse off. So that's one thing. And let's come to its after effect after you wash it off. What happens? I'll tell you. If I talk about my body skin type, it's actually not not too dry, not too oily. It's somewhere in between. And for a normal skin like mine, if I talk about my body, not my face, absolutely. So yeah, for a normal, which if your skin is on the normal side, you can relate to me by. I would love to tell that after you use this shower gel, I don't feel the urge to apply a moisturizer, at least on this summer season, because obviously this is a new purchase and I have been using it almost a month now, just a little bit less than a month. But yeah, so this is summertime and we live in a very humid area. So this particular shower gel, it's perfect for summers. I'll tell you a few reasons. Because this is not heavy, it is actually pretty lightweight and gel consistency based. Second, it is the fragrance is what actually makes it even more suitable for summers, because it has mint and cucumber. Both of these go hand in hand, and they scream summers. That's the reason. And another is it is pretty easy to wash, as it's not heavy on your skin. It is easy to wash, and on the summertime, if you have normal skin, you won't feel the urge to apply moisturizer just after you are done with bathing. Because I'll tell you, because there are few shower gel out there and soaps which actually strips off the moisture from natural moisture level from your skin, and this particular one does not do that. So if you ask me how much I actually rate this product and will I repurchase this product after I finish this up, I'll tell you, I will rate this product at least 8.5 on 10, which is a good rating if you ask me, and I am pretty impressed using this product. If you ask me for the price point, and I have compared this price with the product which are available in the Indian market, with its competitors. So I will tell you, if you compare the price with the quality, keeping that in mind, and also it gives a, it has a nice fragrance added to it. So yes, which is pretty important thing when it comes to shower gel. Everyone's is looking for a shower gel which actually smells good and will help them to smell good as well. Obviously, it's not a perfume. It's not going to last. The smell is not going to last on you like a perfume. Other people won't be able to sniff it from you. But yeah, after you have you're done taking a bath, after you come out of the washroom, if anyone else go inside the washroom, they will feel that the smell, the fragrance lingers around in the washroom area as well as on your body for at least 1.5 hours. That what it was. If you really sniff it very closely, then you will get the fragrance, a hint of the fragrance actually, not something overpowering. And yeah, so let me come back to the point I was telling you, that is the competition with its competitor and which are available in the Indian market. If I talk about it, then it actually wins with flying colors, because if I compare the price, I did not find any other good quality, which is the quality is comparable with this. and which even comes near to the price that I am paying for this huge bottle. Because yes, there are prices which are under rupees 200, but the bottles that you get around 190 ml to 200 ml, and you can do the math and decide, because this is 500 ml plus 100 ml extra. So which is a pretty big thing. You are getting more than twice the quantity that you are getting in from the other brands. So which is, if you're on a budget, I think guys, this is the best option to go for. If you're just you're a college goer, or you just want to start up, switch from soap to shower gel and want to experiment the area of shower gel, this is the one you should actually be going for if you're on a tight budget and also looking for a good quality. So you're not compromising with the quality but getting a good product. This is absolutely a yay from my end. I absolutely recommend this, and they have another variants as well. I have used another variant from the same range, which is I think the lavender one. So that was also pretty nice. You can, if you are not okay with using the mint and cucumber one, you can go for the lavender one as well. As I have used it, I can tell you that I recommend that one as well. I'm not sure if they have other variants as well, but yeah, those two variants I have used and I have tested on myself, and I recommend them. So it's a good product, you can go for it. So that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope this review was helpful to you guys, and if it was, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up from your end, and also do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and make it great. There will be a bell icon as well right next to the subscribe button. Click over there and select all, so that you will get the notification every time I upload a video for you guys. And yes, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, you can follow me in my other social medias, and I have already left few links of my other videos which are related to this video over here in the I icon, also in the description box, and few will come on the screen as soon as this video will end, and you can check them out, and if any of those seems interesting to you, you can watch them next. So I hope you all are taking care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.